Have you ever noticed this icon blinking in your dashboard of your car? Let's know how it is works. It is called as traction control. How it is works, we can learn from this video. This is me Farhan. You are watching Farhan Pulse. Let's get into the video. A traction control system consists of wheel sensors and a modular unit and a control module. These are the things it is necessary to work a traction control system. It is another type of ABS. You know, ABS is an anti-lock braking system. It is one kind of ABS system. To improve your friction with the wheel and the road, to drive the car with full efficient friction with your wheel, tire and the road grip. So the traction control system help us to drive our car smoothly at low friction areas. If you are driving a car, there is some muddy or watery substance present near one wheel, your car gets slip over the one side, so you can lose the control of your car. Thereby, when you turn on the traction control system, it will improve the driving ability of your car. Let's see how it is works on the car. The traction control system consists of wheel sensors. The four wheels consist in car. All the four wheels consist of wheel sensors. You can see here, all the four wheels consist of a wheel sensors. The signals are get from the wheel sensor given to the modular unit. The modular unit send the signal to the control unit, that is called ECU, electronic control unit. The electronic control unit senses how the speed of the each wheels and apply the some amount of brake to some wheels are rotated in a very fast manner. If you are running in this first wheel is slippery, the ECU send the signal to brake pump, and here the speed of the wheel is reduced. If we say all wheels are all three wheels are running at 1000 rpm, 1000 rpm, but this wheel is running at 1100 rpm, it is there is a chance for slippery. So the control unit the control unit sends and apply brake for a single wheel to reduce the speed and match the speed with all the four wheels. All the four wheels are run at a same speed. This is the working of traction control system. In the first case, you can take without traction control. The car needs to bend a highway, so there is a slippery road due to some causes like a rainy or a muddy road situations. The car could not perfectly get a U-turn or perfectly turn the vehicle. But in the second case, you can see with traction control on, the traction control on, the vehicle is very controlled stably get a turn in a highway with any speed. In this case, you can see two sets of examples are given without traction control system. In the first one, you can see the car is running at a wet road. The car tends to slip and loses its control. When the traction control is on at the second case, you can see the car due with the wet road condition, the car can manage to proper position of the road. Due to the presence of traction control, all wheels are rotated at the same rpm, thereby there is no chance for any skidding or slipping. So we can drive our car with a full control in ourselves. So thank you for watching this video. Please support us.
I think the girls with their nails done now.